Now, Attorney General Gregory Afoko Trial says the jury's verdict on the Gregory Afoko case is a reflection of the severe challenges with such trials here in Ghana. The jurors could not reach a 7-0 verdict, which means Mr. Afoko would have to be prosecuted again. They, however, convicted his co-accused, Asake Alange, on the charge of conspiracy to commit murder, and he is to face death by hanging. Lawyer for the Adams Mahama family, Anthony Namo, has been reacting to this decision.
We are disappointed as a family. We are disappointed with the outcome because from the evidence that the prosecution marshaled, we are of the view that compelling evidence was led by the prosecution, and so we are not happy about the outcome, and I'm sure, but whatever it is, it wasn't also a very bad case because you have a mistrial, 4-3, and having one person convicted and sentenced to death, I think that is fine. I mean, we only wait and see what the prosecution will do by way of their option. They will exercise the option as to whether there will be a retrial or whatever decision they will take. This is a case where the judge took her time, as I said, 4 hours. They repeatedly explained to them the position of the law, and also in the course of summing up, she was able to point out how the accused persons lied in all the statements that they gave to the police and their evidence in court. She was able to show all this. So, but that is the decision of the jurors. We can take it that that's their understanding of the task before them. And so you are asking this question about how one person can be convicted of conspiracy and the other person. This is a question that will live for a long time to come.
So that's lawyer for the Adams Mahama family. And Adams Mahama was the former regional chairman of the MPP in the Upper East region who was killed by 2 people. Allegedly was by Gregory Afoko and Asake. The juror has convicted Asake, but the trial for Gregory Afoko has to, be redone. Legal Affairs correspondent Joseph Akable joins me with a copy of a statement issued by the Attorney General. What does it say, Joseph? So help us understand what the statement really says.
So it raises 2 points. The first is that it makes reference to the verdict that was returned in terms of the case of Saki, the other accused person who has been found guilty on the charge of conspiracy to commit murder, and that of Gregory Afoko, to make the point that the AG says, and this demonstrates what he says is the inconsistency in the jury trial, for which reason he believes it suffers major challenges. And so that is the point that is being made by the Attorney General. He goes on to indicate that in terms of looking at going forward, what it means is that the AG is effectively bound the decision of the court. And so that part of the statement issued by the Attorney General reads, the laws of Ghana require the accused persons in the circumstances to be tried before a new jury. The Republic is bound by same. Paragraph 7 says the instant case, particularly the unanimous verdict of a jury against the second accused for conspiracy to commit murder, while at the same time delivering a hung verdict in the case of the first accused on the same charge, highlights the severe challenges with the jury system, a situation the Attorney General is taking steps to remedy as part of proposals for amendment of many parts of the criminal procedure laws of Ghana. Finally, it's a caution to the general public. It says here that the AG respectfully entreats members of the public, including lawyers, to be guided accordingly and desist from comments which have an undue tendency to jeopardize the sound and efficient administration of justice, and is signed by Gregory Afoko Trial, the Attorney General and Minister for Justice.
Interesting. Grateful there now still.